when you're ready to present, you have to speak on like, hi, my name is Carrie, and this is what I did, and I like it very much, and it took me this very long to do it, and it's about my aunt, and it's about how she made me feel when I got my first sneaker. And you need to be very assertive, because at the end of the day, this is what we're teaching you to be. You want to be a business person, and business people, they're not necessarily hard, but you have to be like confident. You have to know that what you have and what you're selling is special, and it is, because look at what you're doing.
I founded the Fashion with Friday Academy in 2014.
The runway, honey. Look number 7. Virgie is giving us black pants, honey.
And I like the handbag. But everything else, it's fine to me, but I wouldn't really say that it's fashion.
I really wanted to create an alternative for these creative scholars to have a place where they can kind of be able to harness both the creative and business ends, because it's not something that's taught in school. It's not something that, I felt like I was taught. A lot of times you have to choose between, I want to be this amazing, this astonishing artist, or I want to be this business person. And I believe that we shouldn't teach kids that. We should teach them that you have to have that duality and help them to understand that you're much more of an amazing, more powerful, and well-equipped artist if you know how to run that business of art.
I forgot the final profit of in 1 year. So I did in my head, I did $575,000 minus $125,000, and it was $450,000.
That included my production costs.
They stopped me to ask about my logo, like what my logo was.
Yeah, Shelly stopped me.
With the Fashion with Friday Academy, we provide so many opportunities for these younger creative scholars to meet executives in the fashion industry, meet CEOs, meet up-and-coming creatives and designers, and people who are now getting their career started, as well as meet their peers.